Hey guys, so today I have a super fun and exciting unboxing. I already took a little peek at this package and it looks awesome. So let's go ahead and get started. This is from Lindsay's Slime Shop on Etsy. There's tissue paper and then a whole bunch of bubble wrap stuff and then some foam to protect it even more. And the first thing I see that's really awesome is a squishy. So it comes with this really cute cupcake squishy. There is also a huge bag of these gummy bears. In this bubble envelope we have extras. And one thing that is really cool is it comes with one of these like pop socket things and it says Lindsay's Slime Shop on it. So that's a really fun extra. It also comes with a pack of gum. I actually love this flavor. This is Tropical Twist. Their business card, Lindsay's Slime Shop. They do like special party favors so you can contact them. We have this fun lollipop, a nail file. And this is super handy and convenient. This is borax, but they put it in this spray bottle so that it's like not as messy. So yeah, that's really fun and unique. There is also this starfish squishy, a rubber stretchy squishy thing, super fun. So yeah, the amount of extras in this package is pretty awesome. Now we'll take a look at what slime we have. So it's wrapped in bubble wrap. This one's called Coconut Baby Butt. So yeah, this one is really fun. It comes with 2 charms, has a little teddy bear and a little like baby toy, and it smells so good. It smells just like coconut and it is really refreshing. I love the little foam beads as well as some of these like star sequins in here. So yeah, the consistency also is so perfect and I would totally recommend this one. It is so fun and I love the fact that it comes with these 2 charms. Yeah, everything is wrapped really nice and securely to kind of prevent leaks. So I love that. And this one is called Pumpkin Spice Latte. So yeah, this one is super fun as well. It comes with 3 charms, not 1, not 2, but 3 charms. And the smell of this is absolutely amazing. It smells exactly like a pumpkin spice latte. So I love the name. The slime also, once again, is great texture, not sticky at all, super stretchy, and it also has a lot of fun foam beads in it. Alright, the next one. This is called Sweet Dreams. Looks like it's a cloud slime. this is very appropriately named. It has a very relaxing smell to it. I'm not sure what it is. It kind of reminds me of lavender, but I love the color of this cloud slime, and it also has these really beautiful glitters. I'm not sure if the camera is really picking up on it, but again, it comes with a charm, and yeah, I think you can kind of see the sparkle. So it's so cute, and I love the charm. I think it's so perfect together. And we have this one. Looks like this one's called Fruity Loops. Yep, it's called Fruity Loops. This one I love so much. It smells so nice. It's like this really nice citrusy, fruity scent. And I've noticed that's a common theme between all of their slimes, is that the smells are really intense and amazing, but at the same time not too overpowering. And another fun thing, which I've already mentioned, is that they come with charms, and this one comes with these cute little Fruit Loops. And this is the second to last one that I'll be showing today. This is called Lindsay's Pink Sparkly Lemonade. So again, this one comes with so many fun charms within the slime. Again, the scent is really amazing, and I love how consistent all these slimes have been so far. The scents are very on point, and this one kind of smells like grapefruit lemonade, or just kind of lemonade in general. And yeah, it's so pretty. This is a very nice pink clear slime. It has a lot of glitters in it and fun beads and charms. I am really excited about this one. This is a Cookie Monster slime. How amazing, how cute is that? So the stuff is actually glued on top of the lid. I assume you can take it off if you'd like to put it in the slime, but I kind of just like it on the container. It comes with this cookie charm, these googly eyes, and the mouth. Okay, so first, the color is like exactly like the Cookie Monster color. This one I feel like is extra stretchy, and it's a lot of fun because you can make these awesome twists. And yeah, it's really fluffy, it inflates a lot, and once again, the scent is amazing. This one smells more like vanilla cupcakes rather than cookies, I feel like, but it still smells so amazing. And yeah, I think this one is kind of the stretchiest of them all so far that I've played with. And yeah, I'm just really impressed by everything. I love the color. I think it's pretty obvious how amazing their slime shop is, and I would totally recommend it. And I'm really excited because I will be doing a giveaway with them. And if you want to find out how to enter, just check out the description box and follow those rules, and I'll be giving away your choice of one of these. And all you have to do is comment down below your favorite slime that I showed in this video or on their Etsy shop, and make sure you're subscribed. And you can also follow them on Instagram for extra entries, but if you want the full details, check the description box. But yeah, just look at how amazing this package is. It came with so many extras, and this is not everything. I still have some stuff here on the side. But yeah, super impressed, like with this slime activator bottle. Really awesome. And the squishy, and just talking about the slimes themselves, they are great quality and they're exactly as they're listed on their website. They smell so amazing and just high quality. So yeah, definitely check them out. I'll put the link in the description.